Okay, so we're at Ikea, and we're walking, Okay, where are we headed now, girls?
Wherever the parking lot. With a pink hotel, a boutique, and a suite.
We didn't even have to pay for admission.
Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone. They paved paradise, put up a parking lot.
Oh, look at Stevie. You try.
They took all the trees, put them
I'm
in
gonna
a
go
tree
through.
museum.
I'm going through.
And they charge the people $1.50 just to see them.
Hey, I think your kid's stealing something. See you later.
Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone.
Hey, Theo.
Paved
What are you doing?
paradise,
Can I come?
put up a parking lot.
I can? You can? Yeah. So, Dee Dee, when do you think that baby's going to be born? Approximately
I think it'll be 6 o'clock
6 o'clock p.m.? p.m.? Okay.
so I can labor in the day, not have to wake anyone up.
Okay, well, I'm off work at 6:30, so that'd be great. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'll look
Oh
forward
wait,
to that.
you're off work at 6:30. Okay. My original plan was today, between 5 and 10 p.m., but I'm hoping tomorrow,
Tomorrow at...
between 5 and 10 p.m.
But you're
I
at
don't think
Ikea instead.
Do what I can do. I'll do what I can do.
Look away, my old man. Don't it always seem to go
Why was it we actually came to Ikea, Kat?
what you've got till it's
Plant some lamps?
Plants and lamps, okay.
Put up a parking lot. I said, don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone. They paved paradise, put up a parking lot. They paved paradise,
you like better?
parking lot. They paved paradise, put up a parking lot.
Hi. Bye, guys.